Hi everybody, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to give you a quick tour of the how-to app in your OneLaunch Desktop Search application. So if you're like me, you're often looking online for answers about how to do things. Maybe they're as simple as how to boil an egg because you forgot how many minutes you need. Maybe it's how to learn how to break dance. Maybe you want to learn how to sail or tie specific knots. There's all sorts of things you want to learn how to do, and you need to do so on the internet and find reputable sites with reputable answers. So we at the OneLaunch Technologies team have put together a very quick search app for how-to that pulls together some of the top how-to websites on the world for you in one place. So first and foremost, where is the how-to app? Follow my mouse here to the top left gray icon, the gray plus icon, on your OneLaunch dock. Click it and you'll immediately find the OneLaunch apps library. Right here, for me, it's the second row, 4 in, you see the how-to app. Simply click it and it will pin itself to the OneLaunch dock. So now very clearly it's pinned top left to the dock, and I can simply click it. And at this point, it simply poses a question to you. What would you like to learn how to do? And we've got a couple of options for some of the top sites in the world that help you learn how to do things. How-to sites, WikiHow, Howcast, eHow, YouTube, of course, for videos, and instructables. So let's just try the app. And of course, we've got a quick search entry point for you. Maybe you want to learn how to knit a scarf. So let's just try that. Let's just try knitting. So how to knit, knitting. And immediately, to show you in the 3-dot menu, you can see we're in OneLaunch custom Chromium browser. Head to WikiHow for knitting. And you've got all sorts of how-to articles on how to finish knitting, how to knit the knit stitch, how to change colors in knitting, how to end knitting a scarf. The list goes on. And maybe you prefer not just written instructions, but video. So we could go to YouTube and try searching for knitting on YouTube. In a new tab in your custom OneLaunch Chromium browser, we're now on YouTube. And we've got all sorts of instructional videos, a beginner's guide to hand knitting, etc. Try another one. Let's maybe try an astrology one. How to find the Big Dipper. Let's see if WikiHow will help me there. Yeah, so we have all sorts of articles about how to find the Big Dipper on WikiHow. Well, by all sorts looks like only a couple, so maybe I was a bit too specific with that query, but a couple of articles on WikiHow with hundreds of thousands of views that would hopefully be reputable for helping you find the Big Dipper. So all in all, there's lots of things you can search for, lots of great sites here, and we just really wanted to make a quick and efficient way for you to query the things you want to learn how to do and get quick answers. So whenever you want to search how-to sites, instead of remembering how to figure out which sites they are, just simply click top left on your OneLaunch dock if you've got the how-to app pinned, and then query your questions for how-to from there. Hopefully this is simple and straightforward, and I hope you find all the answers you need and learn how to do all sorts of fun and fascinating things. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions for OneLaunch or ideas for OneLaunch, please email us at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks again.